Dear friends and students, I am Nakul. Welcome to Math Study Center. From thumbnail, you already know what I will discuss in this video. I have discussed every section very well. There are so many important examples, there are so many important exercises in this video which will be very helpful for all of you. So watch this video from first to last. If this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay, let's start our discussion.
Well, this video is related to functions and relation chapter related, and functions and relation chapter is included into unit 1 and chapter 1 of your syllabus. But in this video I will discuss about only relation, and this is my first video of relation chapter. Before discussing relation chapter, have a look. There is a beautiful quote given by G.H. Hardy, and the quote is, "There is no permanent place in the world for ugly mathematics. It may be very hard to define mathematical beauty, but that is just as true of beauty of any kind. We may not know quite what we mean by a beautiful poem, but that doesn't prevent us from recognizing one when we read it." Okay, isn't it a beautiful quote? Let's see how beautiful relation is. First, I will discuss about your syllabus. This is your syllabus, and this is marks division from this chapter. You will have 4 to 6 marks from this chapter. In this video, I will discuss about only some basic of relation. Okay, let's start discussing one by one. First, introduction. In introduction, it is written that in class 11 we learned the concept of relations and functions along with their domains and codomains and range. We also studied real valued functions on real numbers and their graphs. In this chapter, we will study different types of relations, functions, composition of functions, invertible functions, and binary operation. Okay. Well, let's start one by one. First, what is relation? Relation, in class 11 you learned what is relation. Relation is a subset of A cross B, where A cross B is Cartesian product of set A and B. This is a set like this, where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Right? This is definition of Cartesian product. And now coming to domain. Domain of a relation means a set that contains only first elements of every order pair in the relation R. This is called domain of R. Okay, this is, now there is an example, set A this, set B this, and R is a relation. It is already given, R is a relation from A to B. Then domain of R, if you take only first element 1, 3 and 5, you will have, and form a set, you will have the domain of set R. Okay, understood? Now coming to relation. Now coming to range. Range of R. What is range of R? Range of R, if we form a set containing only second elements of this set. Now coming to relation. Now coming to range. What is range? If R is a subset of A cross B, then range of R, RNG range of R is set that contains only second elements of the relation R. This is range of R. This is a definition of R. Clearly, this is a set. This is set B, and this is a relation R defined from set A to B. range of R is only last element, collection of last elements 8, 6, 2 and 4. Understood? This is range of R. Now coming to inverse relation. What is inverse relation? Inverse relation, if we R is a subset of A cross B, that means R is a relation from A to B, then inverse relation R inverse is a subset of, then R inverse is a subset of B to A. R is a subset of B cross A. That is, if R is equal to set A, B, C, D, E, F, like that, then R inverse is B, A, D, C, F, E. This is R inverse. Okay, this is an example. This is set A, this is set B, and R is a relation from A to B given by this. Then R inverse is, have a look, just they have just altered, changed only elements. First element is second element is first. Okay, understood what is our inverse relation? Okay, in next class I will discuss about different types of relations.
So dear friends and students, if this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay, until next video, stay well, stay safe, tata.